But next on our agenda isn't here at the monument, but down the road at the Monument Inn. This waterfront seafood mecca has been serving up fresh fish, crabs, oysters, and basically anything underwater for over 40 years. And the customers have been loving it ever since. All right, so what'd you have tonight?
Black and red fish punch and train.
Woo, that sounds good. Is it as good as it sounds?
Always.
All right, so what do you think of the Monument Inn?
I love it. We come here as often as we can. The food's great.
All right, so I understand you're celebrating your 16th birthday tonight?
Yes.
And you brought your family to Monument Inn?
Yes, I did.
Why?
Because I love this place.
There's just something about being on the water, watching the ships go by in the shadow of the monument that keeps them coming back. Oh, and it might also be the all-you-can-eat seafood. How many dozen of these guys have you put down so far?
Only 5.
5 dozen? And there's another dozen fried ones there.
You missed a couple pounds of shrimp.
It's a legacy started by the old San Jacinto Inn, now carried on by this place. To tell us more, here's Brandon Holman, the GM.
Oysters on a half shell, cold boiled shrimp, fried shrimp, fried catfish, stuffed crab. That's just something you can't get most places for the price of what you're getting it.
And if the magic's not in the ambiance or the seafood, then it's definitely in the cinnamon rolls. What's the deal with that?
It started way back when, and it's just one of the things we just can't get rid of. Honestly, if that's something we cut out, there'd be a picket line outside the door, outside the restaurant.
The rolls are terrific.
Oh, these things are dangerous. They come out before the meal. There's just no way I can resist eating any less than like a half dozen of these things.
Well, they keep them coming.
Yeah.
Gotta have something sweet after you eat.
Yeah, but they bring them out before. They're confusing me here.
That's how you can put them to the side and then get more later to take home.
Oh man, I better get to eating before these fellas eat this place out of oysters and rolls. Time for a monumental dinner. All right, round number 1 at the Monument Inn, because every meal here starts with the cinnamon rolls. Woo-hoo, and they're still warm right out of the oven. If they let you just order like a water, I'd sit here all day and just eat these cinnamon rolls. But I don't think they'll let you do that. But I also got some of their crab stuffed fried jalapenos. That right there, it's the perfect kind of spicy. Round number 2, I got some blackened redfish. Look at that sort of crusty seasoning on the outside. And then it's covered with their house homemade monumental sauce. You got the spiciness of that blackened seasoning. You got the creaminess of this sauce, all the different flavors of seafood that's in it. I mean, this is cool. To my left, I've got the San Jacinto Monument. To my right is the Houston Ship Channel. As good as the food is, the view alone is worth coming for. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.